Let's take a detailed look at what happens during a motorcycle high-side crash. The rear tire of a motorcycle can lose its grip on the road during a turn and begin a side slip. This usually happens as the rider accelerates or applies the rear brake during a turn. As the side slip continues, the motorcycle will yaw towards the inside of the turn to an angle more perpendicular to the direction of travel. When a side slip occurs, most riders will instinctively react by steering towards the outside of the turn and decreasing input to the throttle or brake. Counter-steering transfers the weight towards the rear, increasing the friction between the rear tire and the road. Reducing input to the throttle or rear brake decreases the longitudinal force demand on the rear tire. The combined reactions of the rider can cause the rear tire to regain traction abruptly. When the rear tire's grip on the road is restored, the energy of the motorcycle's movement is partially translated to angular momentum, causing the motorcycle to roll towards the high side of the turn. This sudden angular momentum can effectively catapult the rider ahead of the motorcycle. Without the control of the rider, the motorcycle will most likely begin to tumble or slide. In most high-side crashes, the resting location of the rider is ahead of the resting location of the motorcycle. This can be useful to know when attempting an accident reconstruction. A skilled rider can easily avoid a dangerous high-side crash by staying home on Saturday and mowing the lawn instead. Next time, we'll look at lawn mowing accidents.